Sometimes you might post ghost posts on Threads. Ghost posts are like WhatsApp status or Instagram story. After 24 hours, they get deleted automatically. And sometimes you may have saved that ghost post too, but if you want to unsave it, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to unsave any ghost post on Threads. For this, open the Threads app. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Just tap on it. When you tap it, you'll see that ghost post. Simply tap on it and select the post you saved. For example, I'm selecting this one. After that, here you can see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots, and you'll see the unsave option. Tap on unsave. When you tap it, that post will be unsaved. But sometimes you won't remember which post you saved. In that case, what you can do is go to your profile. You'll see 2 lines. Tap on those 2 lines, and here you can see the saved option. Tap on saved, and here you'll see every saved post. Just tap on it, and above you can see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots and select unsave. When you tap it, that post will be unsaved. So this way, you can easily unsave any ghost post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.